Welcome back to our channel. Now we are on question number 9. Question number 9 talks about the cobalt 2 plus. What is the electronic configuration? First of all, look at the cobalt atom first, okay? From the periodic table, you got it that its atomic number is 27, so it has 7 3D electrons. So the electronic configuration should be like this for the atom. Neutral one should fill these two first, right? And then fill the 3D because the 3D is higher energy. So fill the half first, okay? And then 5 or still 2 more than here. So it is the sequence of filling because you remember 4s has a lower energy to 3D. So when filling, fill the lower energy to the higher energy first. When ionize, okay, ionize should eliminate or release the 3D electron first. But it is different. Why? Because this comparison of energy, 4s smaller than 3D only when they are empty. Yes, when the 4s and 3D shell are empty, this comparison is correct. But when they are filled, difference. Okay, 4s energy becomes higher. So when you try to ionize cobalt, the higher energy, but the 4s is higher, will be ionized first. Okay, so when you ionize in 2 bursts, these 2 will disappear. So what's the answer? The answer is B. So you can choose, okay, either following our step to think about it or just memorizing it as a special case. It is very common in IB question. I saw it several times in the past paper. So you can just memorize it. Okay, cobalt 2 plus is the answer is B. I must say, if you use it both way, you can still be well done. Good job. Okay, see you for next question.